Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about the country Saint Kitts and Nevis, country in the Caribbean. Saint Kitts and Nevis is a dual island nation situated between the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea. It is known for cloud-shrouded mountains and beaches. Many of its former sugar plantations are now are now inns are atmospheric ruins. The larger of the two islands, Saint Kitts and Nevis, is dominated by the dormant Mount Liamuga volcano, home to a crater lake, green vervet monkeys, and rainforest crisscrossed with hiking trails. And next point is capital city of Saint Kitts and Nevis is Basseterre. Dialing code is +1. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Saint Kitts and Nevis Islands, they should start with their mobile number +1 and then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And the currency is East Caribbean dollar, and population is 53,546 population as per 2021 World Bank statistics. Official language is English. Next point is what country owns Saint Kitts? The United Kingdom. What country owns the Saint Kitts and Nevis is UK. Since 1783, Saint Kitts has been affiliated with the Kingdom of Great Britain, which became the United Kingdom. And is Saint Kitts and Nevis a country? Saint Kitts and Nevis is two island country in the Eastern Caribbean Sea. Both islands were formed by volcanic activity and are mountainous. And next point is, do they speak English in Saint Kitts and Nevis? English is the sole official language. Saint Kitts Creole is also widely spoken. Saint Kitts Creole is a dialect of Leeward Caribbean Creole. English spoken in Saint Kitts and Nevis by around 40,000 people. And next point is, what is special about Saint Kitts and Nevis? Saint Kitts and Nevis were among the first islands in the Caribbean to be colonized by Europeans. Saint Kitts was home to the first British and French Caribbean colonies, and thus has also been titled the mother colony of the West Indies. And next point is, can US citizens live in the Saint Kitts and Nevis? Yes, American expats can retire in Saint Kitts and Nevis in order to live on the island for more than 3 consecutive months. You will either need to apply for permanent residency or get Saint Kitts and Nevis citizenship also. And next is, do you need a passport to go to Saint Kitts? Entry, exit and visa requirements are there. Passport and visa. US citizens must have a valid US passport to enter Saint Kitts and Nevis. US valid passport is enough. And next point is, what religion is Saint Kitts? According to US government, 74% of the population is Protestants, 7% are Catholic, 1% are Rastafarian. That is also one part of type of Christianity. And next point is, does Saint Kitts have nice beaches? From the lively beaches of South Frigate and South Friars Bay, African thrilling water sports, beach bars and a vibrant Caribbean vibe, to the Catholic beach sands of DFP Bay and the secluded sandy stretches of Sandy Bank Bay, you will find your perfect sun-kissed spot on Saint Kitts. This is the information regarding Saint Kitts and Nevis. These are the dual islands, and it's having its own significance in language also. Official language is English, and so many other languages also they will talk. And why I did this video is those who are interested to go to St. Kitts and Nevis for education purpose or business purpose or traveling purpose, they should know the basics. For that only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.